One day, I decided I am going to build it. Not with glass and sand, but with code, LEDs and imagination. And this is the result. My own digital sand clock. Each tiny LED acts as grain on the sand. It slowly falls, collects at the bottom, and when you flip it, everything starts again, just like a real one. Let me show you how I made this. So I used two 8x8 LED matrix, one battery and charging module, one gyro sensor, buzzer, Arduino Nano, touch sensor, and the casing to put all the components inside it. So here are the components. Now let's do the soldering one by one. You can refer to this circuit diagram for making the connections. Now all the soldering has been done. It's time to put all the components inside the case. And it's done. Here we go. This is so satisfying. Kept the touch sensor as optional. Had planned to use to set the timer value 5 minutes or 10 minutes and so on. Let me know your thoughts about this, and if you have any suggestion or if you need the code or STL file, do comments below. Thanks for watching.